Hi there. We all grew up by listening to that one particular word during our college and school days, saying that hard work. So we have to really work hard, then only we'll be able to achieve our goals in the future. Then only we can be successful person in the society. But nobody told that being lazy will make you more successful person in the society. So we're gonna see about laziness. So how lazy people have changed the world in the past, and how they are being able to be more successful financially, professionally, and personally. So we're going to see what are the steps these people are actually following it up in this video. So before getting into it further, if you're new to my video, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post the videos. Number one, American professor Arnold Ludwig did a research that more than 1000 people who achieved greater success in their past are the one who wasted a lot of time in the past. They were actually lazy. People criticized at them, you people are not doing anything in your life, you people are just wasting the time. But the people didn't know that they are giving time for analyzing actually what they are good at it and which field they want to get into. And people didn't know that they're gonna bounce back and they're gonna change the world. So by this way, actually lazy people take more time and they analyze before getting into anything. Number two, we all have studied about Charles Darwin, Karl Marx, Sir Winston Churchill in the history, but many people don't know that these people were actually lazy in their past, that these people have wasted a hell lot of time. Charles Darwin, famous for theory of evolution by natural selection, which became the foundation for modern evolutionary studies, but many people don't know that his teacher and parents were finding it difficult to make him understand the concepts of maths and science during his school days. Sir Winston Churchill was a prime minister for United Kingdom. He claims to be successful leader during the World War II. He is famous for his inspirational speeches and motivational quotes, but many people don't know that he was bad at studies and he didn't complete his education. He didn't even go to the college. Karl Marx was the greatest philosopher and revolutionarist, but he was dependent on his mother's income for his expenses and he partied for months and he didn't had a job, but he is famous for his modern communism. So there are like this many people who wasted the time in the past, but wasting the time doesn't mean that they don't think about the future. They give time about what their interest is and what they want to get into. So by this way, many people have actually achieved and changed the world. Number three, lazy people are more creative than being productive during the work. They think out of the box, which helps the organization to grow faster because of their innovative ideas. When it comes to work, they don't waste the time and they're not like others who work all the time and leave the life with the pressure. Number four, happiest people in the world, because they never worried about others, what they are up to and what they are doing, because we live in a generation that we always interested in knowing what others are doing and how they are growing. By this way, we fail to focus on our goals. When it comes to goal, these people are very focused and they know how to prioritize, how to reach that particular goal. By this way, these people are living a happiest life. Number five, they are up to date with the technology. Technology plays a vital role in today's world. We all are super dependent on the technology, especially the people who are lazy. They are even more dependent on the technology to do any work. They're not only getting benefit out of it, but also indirectly they are providing a job opportunities for many youngsters who is looking for a kind of an opportunity to grow in their career. So these are the informations which I wanted to share it with you people. Always don't give ears to the other people who always say that, oh, you completed your education but still no job and you're 28, no job. It doesn't matter, because we live in a rat race generation actually. After completing the college we have to get into job. After getting the job we have to start earning. Then only the people will be happy. But think how many people are actually living a happy life and a healthier life. Very few people. It's always okay to start late. We are still figuring it out. That's okay. Someday we're gonna start it and it definitely it's gonna be a huge success. So we should be always focused in what we want and what we are good at it. So it is okay if we take time. And that's it. So I'll end the video here, and if you really like my video, please give a thumbs up and please mention it in the comment section if you want me to talk on any particular topic, and please give your valuable feedbacks on this particular video. What do you think about being lazy? Having said that, this is your Shweta signing off. Until I meet you in the next episode, do not forget your roots and your heritage, where you came from. Good day.